this is the problem that we have chosen for our group, which is h of x is equals to x cubed minus 8 over x cubed plus 8. To find the derivatives of h of x, we will have to use quotient rule, which is this. Now, for us to remember it easier and to understand more, we can just simply remember it as derivatives of f of x over g of x is equals to low times derivatives of high minus high times derivatives of low over low squared. Since now that we have our formula, we have to look for our values. So let x cubed minus 8 be f of x, and let x cubed plus 8 be our g of x. So now that we have our values for f of x and g of x, we have to start looking for the values of derivatives of f of x and derivatives of g of x. We are just going to be using the values of f of x and g of x to look for the values of derivatives of f of x and g of x. To look for the values of derivatives of f of x and g of x, we are just going to apply power rule and constant rule to our values of f of x and g of x. And we do the math. Note that in this equation, f prime of x and g prime of x is just equal to the derivatives of f of x and g of x. So now that we have our values, we can substitute them to the formula. Now this is our formula. So now we have to simplify it and simplify it further. I won't be explaining it because we can just do it. We can just do the math directly into this part of the equation, and that is the final answer.